Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and assalamu alaikum, everybody. So, why don't we have some fun today? And I wanted to talk to you about some things that I was getting really excited. We're gonna write a song in Bangla, and absolutely, we're gonna talk about the song, and we will actually make a song with the AI. Why not? Let's use some tools. I have the ChatGPT open right in front of me, and I'm gonna write a song using the ChatGPT as we speak. So why don't I ask these things and go from there? I'm gonna ask it to write a Bangladeshi Bangla song. What do you want to do? Let me just think about that a little bit. I wanted to have some sort of particular song which have a reference of maybe, let's say, youth, patriotism, technology, okay, something like that. Why not? Okay, with youth, patriotism, and technology, especially AI, Bangladesh as a target destination for AI talents and resources. Okay, just let me ask for it, and let's see what happens. Okay, so we're asking ChatGPT because I wanted to use that for prompt, and I'm using the standard 4.0, great for most tasks, easy, it's free. So let's look at it. আমি তরুণ, আমি বাংলাদেশ, আমরা সেই আলো নতুন দিনের কথা, স্বপ্ন দেখি সবার, বিজয় হবে জয় গাথা, AI সাথে চলি সামনে, স্বপ্ন দেখি দূর. Okay, fantastic. So far so good. I don't see any conflicting information or কোনো problem. I don't see any problem yet. So let me look into it. Oh, fantastic. I love it. Okay. And let me ask for a melody style. Okay. Let's do a melody style because I want to know what kind of melody I want in this particular song. I have to say that to one of the tools that I'm going to be using, which is called Suno.ai, Suno.ai. Melody style for Suno.ai for the above. Now, what I want to do, I want to make sure there's some other things like, we need to figure that out. Like, it has to be a hit song. It has to be uplifting, enthusiastic. Why not? Okay, so let's make sure the song is a super hit with 100 million plus hits and views. Okay, must be melodious. Okay, party style. Okay, why not? Party style. What else we should do? Multi vocal, female and male. Okay, so we want everybody inclusive. Village and city accent. So we want some accents coming in from Bangladesh, villages and cities. And then what else? Make it super attractive. Okay, let's rewrite the song. Let me see if we had a Gen Z and Gen Alpha. Okay, so include some language from Gen Z and Gen Alpha. Again, what else we should think about? include some language from Gen Z and Gen Alpha, because I might not know all of those things, and I'm gonna put it in. Make sure to search for widely used terms by the students and youths. Okay, so first rewrite the song. Okay, first I'm gonna, and then add a melody style, both for Suno AI. Okay, so let me just do that, and we're gonna finish up very quickly, and let's have some fun. Why not? AI is here to have some fun. Okay, so I like it. Verse, male, female, alternative, city, village accent, city vibe. Okay, fantastic. Yet we code in Unity, hackathon, OpenAI. Fantastic. There are some terms. There are some things. Call and response, layered vocals. I love it. Why is this 100 million? Slack baked, tempo, melody style guide for Suno AI. Alright, we got it. Alright, let's start. So let me take this, the whole chorus, whole song of it, outro until outro. I'm gonna go to Suno.ai. You just sign up, you just log into it. You get 40K, 50K for free. I just created one just right before I build this, this lesson for you guys. I am gonna paste it. The whole lyrics is here, and I just pasted the lyrics here, and then I'm gonna add the style from my ChatGPT. And why do I use ChatGPT first? Because ChatGPT gives me guidance, or the Claude or DeepSeek or Gemini. They're gonna give me a guidance. This is the one of the source that I want to use, so the research is done easily. Rewrite using 200 characters or less. Okay, I need to do it less than 200 characters. Fantastic. Okay, I got it. Okay, male plus female. Okay, why not? Let's create it. See how does it. I actually created one. I would love you guys to listen to it. It takes a little extra time. Again, we might fast forward this particular section to do it. It's using a little older version, just so you know. 3.5. There 4.5 is available if you are paying for it. There is more stuff. You can go down and you can see it's the Beta Pro, and hopefully we can use it. If I have the Pro version, if you are paying for it, then you can definitely use it. I'm just using the free version at this moment. See how does it come about. So this is the song. Let's try to listen to it.
Future আমাদের no cap স্বপ্নে জলে দিতে আমরা হারতে পারি না rap I হাতের power code করি trippy বিশ্বে আমরা দেখতে trend vibe check করি daily ওই যুবারা বাড়ি গ্রামে কোটি মাটি গন্ধে রইতে চাই আমি করি unity hackathon OpenAI পথে রুদ্ধ শ্বাস ট্যাপ বাংলাদেশে আমাদের রিজ আবার lovely গাছ slap no cap no class everything best আমরা BI star আমরা GL best আমি Toru আমি Bangladesh secure the bag I broke it by fresh we got the grizz period Generation Z, Alpha, our mission legit. I'm these strength, hope, our smart village minds. These skills over Bangladesh, there I go. We code, innovate, leave haters woke. Brain rot free, locked in every sprint. Code got the T, roots in print. Robotics cloud, I model tuned. Quantum material, cultural, shoot immune. From Dhaka skyscrapers to village classroom. Our tech trick slaps on my day, future boom. We vibe, check the future, let's cook the dream. Innovation fueled by solar. TikTok.code, Wikipedia or Wikipedia or Wikipedia or TalkingTrippin.com, BecomeIndyGoon.com, Wikipedia or SideChart and Wikipedia, Amazon.com, made in Bangladesh, I'm a champion. I talent here, Shonal Bangla champion. Mango, go to village chant. Bangladesh, see, I'm a No cap, Bangladesh, Bangladesh. Secure the bag, I'm looking fresh. We got that race, period. Generation Z, Alpha, our mission legit. I mean, strength from Amra. Smart village, my city skills, Amra. Bangladesh, yeah, go. We code, innovate, leave haters woke. I'm Bangladesh.
Can you imagine what it is? And let me listen to the next one.
I'm not a future, I'm a day no cap. Shop চলে বেটা আমরা হাঁটতে পারি না rap AI হাতে পাওয়া কোড করে ট্রিপ বিশ্বে আমরা টিকটক ট্রেন্ড ভাইছে করি ডেইলি ওই যে বাড়াবাড়ি গ্রামের ঘুরতি মাটি কমে হইতে চাই এবি করে নি ইউনি হ্যাকাথন ওপেনের পথের উদ্ধশ্বাস বাংলাদেশে আমাদের is our lovely culture no cap we left no crumbs slay every test Bangla AI star I'm a deal go our best go our best আমি তরুণ আমি বাংলাদেশ secure the flag I প্রতিভাই fresh we got that race period generation Z alpha I'm a mission legit I need strength from Bangla smart village mind see skills Amra Bangladesh AI code we code innovate leave haters woke brain rot free locked in every sprint code the zero roots and print robotics cloud and model 2 maternity cultural shoot immune from Dhaka skyscrapers to village classroom my tech trip slaps on my day future boom we gotta check the future let us scope the dream on the Lulu no more we Lulu innovation fueled by Lulu TikTok.com Con5 and Wikipedia org Good5 and Wikipedia org বড় বাড়ি গ্রামের খুঁটি মাটি গন্ধে রইতে চাই এপি কোড ইন ইউনিটি হ্যাকাথন ওপেন এই পথের উদ্ধশ্বাস বাংলাদেশে আমাদের রিস our love need got no cap we left no cross slay every test Bangla AI star I'm a deal go our best go our best আমি Bangladesh secure the bag I got the prize fresh we got that race period generation Z alpha I'm a mission legit I'm east straight from Bangla smart village mind see skills Amra Bangladesh AI code we code innovate leave haters woke I'm Bangladesh secure the bag I prototype fresh we got that race period generation Z alpha I'm a mission legit I'm east straight from Bangla smart village mind see skills Amra Bangladesh AI code we code innovate leave haters woke.
So one thing I found out, and hold on, I'm gonna stop that one. You can listen to that too. That was a lot of fun as well. I'll post all of those links anyway. I'll publish those things, you can see it. I missed the female voice here, so it doesn't become inclusive, so I have to make it like inclusive. I'm gonna ask it to build it again, and again it's gonna be using up all my credits. Hopefully we're gonna have some fun, a little better fun, you know, something in that range. And again, this is a really good way, if you're thinking about this is a really good way to have some fun while you're coding something, you want to add something. This is your own, you come up with your own theme, own style, and some of the things that you can do. Again, this is not something that I'm modifying anything, this is not something that I want to change anything. I just wanted to have as is to do it. I'm gonna publish all of these songs that we have here, and maybe some of those you like, some of those you don't like, but again, all up for creativity. Let me just make sure that I see this one is ready. I just wanted to see if there's male and female voice so you guys can enjoy it.
ওই যে বাড়াবাড়ি গ্রামের খুঁটি মাঠে গন্ধে রইতে চাই এপি কোড ইন ইউনিটি হ্যাকাথন ওপেন এই পথের উদ্ধশ্বাস বাংলাদেশে আমাদের রিস আমার লুবি ট্রান্সলেট no cap we left no crumbs slay every test Bangla AI star আমরা GL grow our best আমি Bangladesh to the bag I do it by fresh.
Alright, I'm gonna put that on pause so that you guys get to see that there is a really interesting way of doing it. I'm just gonna show you a little bit more melodious type. See, this was a little bit different melodious style. Okay, you can do these things.
তরুণ হৃদয়ে আগুন জ্বলে স্বপ্ন দেখে নীল আকাশের তলে চোখে লাপট হাতে মোবাইল বুদ্ধি
So various way you can build these things, and I'll publish it. You guys can see it and you should enjoy it. With that, I'm gonna finish it up today. Again, what did we do? We went to ChatGPT, created the lyrics, asked for the melody, went to Suno.ai and Suno.com. Basically, you can go there as well and sign up for it. You get the free credit and you can build at least 5 songs every day. Typically it takes 5 credit for each one of them. Every time you get 2 of those. I'm using the free version of it, the modern version that you can use. If you go pro, there is so much more you can do with it. With that, thank you very much. Thanks for staying with me. You will see all these links in the YouTube video underneath it. Thank you.